guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to show you how to make Jamaican brown stew pork. Yummy, quick and easy. Well, first I need to put my hair back because as a lot of you would have noticed, my hair has grown tremendously. What's the secret, you ask? Water. Drink lots and lots of water if you want to have gorgeous hair like mine. That or just order on Amazon. That comes faster. So today I'm going to show you what we do to make our brown stew pork. So of course you'll need pork. This is 3 pounds of pork, and I'll be using Himalayan pink salt, but you can use any salt. This one just has a little more nutrients. Garlic, pepper. You will definitely need browning. If you do not have browning or access to browning, you can use the kitchen bouquet. It's basically the same thing, but just a little more watered down. I'll be using Jamaican all-purpose and some allspice. Then we'll have some white seasonings that we will add to our pork, as well as I'm going to show you a concoction that I do to make the flavor more permeated in the meat. But first, let's wash and chop this up. So now that's all, and I'm going to add this concoction I just made, and it's simply blended scallion, onion, garlic, thyme, and some sweet peppers, or aka bell peppers. And what that does is going to be infusing deeper flavor into the meat. So when you cook that pork, the flavor is going to be deep inside once you allow it to marinate. Again, if you don't have the time to allow it to marinate for half an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, you can do it for 10 minutes. Just the longer you marinate, the more the flavor goes deep within. So let's go. Save the extra for another meal. Now we're going to chop the rest of our seasonings and veggies we want to add. Okay, so now that our pork has marinated, we're going to move on to the first step of cooking, which is pan searing. And you can use 2 tablespoons of whatever oil you want to use, but I'll be using unrefined organic coconut oil because it's good for you, and coconut oil just tends to make meat taste really good, especially these kinds of meats. So let me show you. So we just add the meat to the oil. smells so good, guys. I feel like eating the raw pork, but I won't. And obviously I'll have to do this twice because there's not enough space to do it all at once. See this nice brown color? You want that. So we finished searing our meat. See? Looks and smells like it's ready to be eaten, but it's not. We're going to throw it in our Instapot. And for a pressure cooker, you will need to put water in it to make sure that it doesn't dry out. But for our Instapot, because I won't be losing any water, rather be gaining water from all that steam, I won't be adding any extra water. It will just be what's in here, what was left from the seasoning, and what's in that cooking pot. And while I won't be adding water, I'll be adding a little something something. So I'll just add the meat. What's left from seasoning. And while I won't be adding any water, I'll be adding a little something something for a little extra. Oops. Oops. As I said, this is a shortened version, so I'm also just adding all my veggies. Stir. Cover, place the stew meat setting, and start. Timer is going off. Look what it looks like. Look at this. This is what I love about an Instapot, guys. You throw what you want in, and when it's done, it's done. No need to check in between. Dinner is served. So that's it, guys. Jamaican brown stew pork, delicious, easy, and less time. Please remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned to my channel for when you can get more amazing tips, tricks, and ideas to your home.